Okay. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com. And I'm going to make this quick. Meta. Now, this is a stock that has really jumped. This thing's up, I think, like over 100% this year so far. Yeah, almost exact. Anyway, so the company reported strong earnings. It's amazing what happens when you ditch so much of the dead wood to reduce your expenses and start focusing on what makes you money, as opposed to some, like, I don't know, fake universe that maybe everybody wants to be in because they don't like their current world. That's just me editorializing. I'm a big fan of, if you don't like your current world, wow, why don't you just fix it? But that's just me. Anyway, back on track here with the stock. And if I've offended you, I'm sorry. Not so much. So the stock gapped up. It really had a big jump, way above the implied move that the options market had priced in. So it really ran up there. And then it didn't pull back much. And you'll notice I've drawn these lines here. This was for something that I mentioned to members. I think, it was just yesterday, about how these Bollinger Bands really are expanding. They're exploding away from each other. And what we want to be doing is we want to be selling the stock. I'll let you decide if you want to short it, but we want to be selling the stock when these Bollinger Bands start hooking. In this case, what you'd see is this has moved up. So you look at the lower band, and when you see the lower Bollinger Band start to give you this little hook, that is an indication that the move is over. Doesn't mean that you're going to get a big reversal. It just means that you're not really going to get any more follow through. So this is what I would do. But you want to stay on to this stock. I would not buy it here, not even with your money. But what I would do if I'm still long the stock, the low here today is 235.75, but let's just say it's 235. So right now the stock's here. You're setting your stop at 235, and you're only giving up a little less than 2% if you're still holding it here. And in return, you get the chance that the stock's going to make more money. So you're risking 2% to hang on to this stock. Now, again, with that said, I wouldn't own this stock here. I wouldn't buy it. This video is basically to help anybody who is long the stock and has a real, yearning to continue to own Meta. I'm helping you get out of the trade because I think you want to sell into this strength. And the way you do that, if you're stubborn, is rather than just sell, say, okay, where am I going to put my stop? You can see the weekly chart. It's had a heck of a V, could certainly go higher, but I would say maybe let it go higher without me. I'll figure out when to get back in a little bit later. So for now, that's all I got. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.